Welcome to another Quick and Easy Meals. My name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. So today's theme, guys, for Quick and Easy Meals is a summer snack board. So tonight I'm gonna have my little people over. My little girls are coming over to spend the night. So what I decided to do for a summer snack board is make a blueberry croissant bake. Now, I do have some snacks up there in the pantry. So, I could put some snacks out on a tray. I may do that, but, I don't want to put that out first because I want these little guys to eat their dinner first. But this blueberry croissant bake, they can either have it for a snack tonight or they can have it in the morning for breakfast, for whatever they want for breakfast. But they can add this blueberry croissant bake to it. So, in the next clip, I'm going to show you all of the ingredients that go into this blueberry croissant bake. Now, it takes about 20 minutes to prepare it, which I'm not going to keep you on for all of that. I'm just going to, kind of bring you in and out, as I go along. And, so it'll be fast. So the directions are the prep time is 20 minutes and the cook time is 55 minutes. And I have to go out, so let me bust a move and get this done. The first thing is that I did preheat my oven to 350 degrees. And so I have my 9x13 baking dish. So I'm gonna spray this now lightly with a little cooking spray. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these 6 croissant pieces. They're large, that's what the recipe calls for. And I'm gonna cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Okay, so let me move this out the way. So let me get a knife and a cutting board. So after I cut these all up, I'm going to, you see I'm arranging them in the baking dish. Quick and Easy Meals is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jennifer at Home, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. Swing by those channels and see what they have for you today for a summer snack board. I'm sure that you guys will get some excellent ideas. Now, Quick and Easy Meals, it's an open collaboration. So, feel free to join in. You can make anything from a smoothie to dessert. Like today, we're doing a summer snack board. You don't even have to cook. You can just buy some snacks and put it on a snack board. Because I see y'all out there dressing up them snack. You have coffee bars with snacks on them. Y'all come on and join Quick and Easy Meals. All right, guys, so now I'm about to mix up my cream cheese, sugar, eggs, cinnamon, and vanilla. And then later on, I'm going to add in some milk, gradually add in the milk. Now, y'all probably wondering why I have this apron on. I bought some cologne one time, long time ago. And they gave me this apron, and I want to say this is probably the only apron I have, y'all. Because usually when I cook something, I just put like an old t-shirt on it. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But anyway, I have this on because I have a black shirt on, and I'm about to go out somewhere after I do this. So anyway, I'm gonna beat this stuff up. Okay, so now, I beat up my, ingredients, the cream cheese, sugar, eggs, cinnamon, and vanilla. So I have that all beat up. So now the recipe calls for adding 2 cups of milk, and you're supposed to gradually add this in. Now, let me just tell you about this blueberry croissant bake. It's really good. So, and I use almond milk, like many of you. So we're gonna add in the first cup. One cup. Okay, so now we're going to pour this over our croissants, and we're going to let this sit for 10 to 20 minutes. And then we're going to bake it for an hour. So again, keep in mind, after you beat up your ingredients, after you mix up your ingredients, you're going to let this sit for 10 to 20 minutes. Where do you put the blueberries at? Okay, so now I'm going to add in my blueberries. We'll mix those all in. We have our 2 cups of blueberries in here. And I already rinsed them all off. We need to add a little bit more. Okay, so we're supposed to add 2 cups of blueberries, and I didn't have quite 2 cups, so we're going to add some more. Okay, so we're going to let this sit for 10 to 20 minutes. I already have my blueberries in. I'll let you look at it, give you a top-down look. Then after that, we will bake this in the oven on 350 degrees for 55 minutes. And then after it's done, we're gonna let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes more. And then I'm gonna dust it with some confectioner's sugar. So y'all stay tuned for the reveal. This is really good, you have to try it. Okay, so while this is sitting, you know me, I can't be dealing with this chaos and confusion. So while this is sitting, I'm gonna clean all this up. Then I'll stick it in the oven, so when we come back for the reveal, this will all be nice and cleaned up. Here's the reveal. This is our blueberry croissant bake. I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. Guys, you have to try it. It is delicious. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you do, please be so kind to give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already. I would love to have you join my growing channel. If you're a return visitor, big shout out to you for watching another one of my videos. You guys be blessed, and until the next one, bye-bye.